Welcome back. Doing a Speedway. We just ran the IROC class. It's been a minute. We haven't raced since way before Easter. We got Rocket starting out. He won the IROC race. He's in the white lane, Dewey in the red lane, Peggy, Daisy in the yellow, and Daisy in the yellow, Peggy in the blue. It's all right, man.
Somehow we always end up
Got a
on
new
first.
added
I think
petty
maybe if
car
we added
here.
up our scores, we could win.
Pretty cool. Yeah, it's a new petty garage. All right, we're going down here. We're going to give you a different view. Over their heads.
You got your little.
Oh, I forgot my little thing. Throw my thing at me. You can't see the counter, but this is a pretty cool view.
Okay, they'll be able to see me win.
You can see the start, finish, and everything, man. That's kind of cool. Put the fun away, Daisy.
Okay, I'm ready.
Days in.
Race is ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! New race. Driver first lap. Driver first lap.
You run me off the road.
Driver first lap.
No. Banging negative.
Driver first lap.
They're not doing it. Crush.
Driver first lap.
Oh!
3 minutes left.
Oh! Yo!
Oh! Everybody's crashing. Everybody but the rocket. The rocket is running.
Oh! Oh, me.
Everybody leaning over the track again. Let's see the driver. Working lap traffic once again. There's Dewey trying to keep his lap.
Oh, and the rocket goes down on its own. Finally, oh, dude, it rolls it around the petty corner. Shows the rocket and gets it back.
Rocket
Oh, there goes
Daisy 10,
Oh,
Dewey
Rocket
10,
Rocket.
Gold
Yeah.
9.
Stop it.
Oh, Jimmy Johnson on inside.
Oh no.
On the down
Halfway
low.
through the
White, please. Thank you.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, Marshall, how are we standing?
Rocket 15,
Round the
Dewey
table.
14, Dewey 14, take 12.
Go, go. Go, Daisy. Go, Daisy. Go, Daisy.
driver first lap.
Daisy.
Dewey here's the outside of the second.
Oh, I'm in the yellow runner. Yellow runner.
I thought maybe I can get you while I'm over there.
Red.
Go, Daisy. Oh, no. No. No.
Dying.
60 seconds left.
60 seconds. Rocket showing lead 21, Daisy 20, Dewey 19 now.
Oh, crash.
Right up the
Oh, white on the down. Thank you again.
Oh, I can't
Who
move.
would ever wreck next to me? Thank you. There's Dewey.
40 seconds left. 25 seconds left.
Oh,
20 seconds left.
Goodness.
Get down to the red.
15
It's a
seconds
ship
left.
throwing him off into the other lane.
10 seconds left.
Got parts whenever you need.
5 seconds left.
Oh,
Loop over.
yes. Did I get that one? I know I did.
Should have.
One lap. You got me by one lap.
I did get you by 1 lap, and I got you by lap time, just in case you wanted to
Yes.
time me.
You might want to
Rock.
check out
Touche
that
on that.
White,
Ah.
Daisy yellow, 27. Dewy red, 25.
You want to check that red lane out. Where's my car? Flying
You
in
have
the
a problem
bleachers.
with the red light?
Yes, I did.
Oh, no, you got in there? Okay.
Now I go to.
White.
Oh, I do?
Marshall, I come in white.
Oh, if it was blue, you go Marshall.
Yeah.
What's wrong with the red light?
I just fixed it probably.
Powerful
That's why I
red.
had to check it. Oh, it's spinning out.
Hey
Give a
Zeke,
different view
can
in
you give
this
me a bump in blue?
Anybody think we should switch views in this seat? Yes,
I don't know.
Sure.
Kind of a good view, wasn't it? I think
yeah,
you
but
leave
I
it
think we
this
should
way.
do different views, you know?
Well, let's wait till next
Yeah,
one. When
hang
we're
on.
ready, we'll be ready to make
Race
that.
starts in 30 seconds.
30
Zeke gets to
seconds.
warm up anyhow.
Oh, does he? Okay.
I can't
Do
until
it, yeah, do it now, do it now.
Well,
See, it stopped.
okay.
Okay. Okay.
So she starts counting down.
Okay. It just never works for me, no matter
No,
what
I have
press it.
problems
I'm like,
too. Yeah, I see Chris bobble it too. For some reason.
Every once in a while, you just tap them out. Don't finger. I didn't say that, well, no.
Talking about your car gun, right?
Yes. Computer. How you feeling out there, Zeke? Feeling good?
All right.
nice one.
As long as you don't do that when I'm coming by, you'll be all right. And you know, I'm gonna plow you.
Put somebody hand me my car.
That you're in the right place that Robin will fix you instead of send you off the table.
Were you moving the camera, or you
That
just?
sends me up.
I guess we're on leave.
Okay.
We'll move it next Tuesday.
Okay.
Oh, well, we're paused anyhow. I'll put it now.
Well, that's what you said a long time ago.
That's what I said.
Yes.
And then I was playing with my car, man.
See what
That's
I
what
then
said.
I think that he's made a decision, and then
Then he has
next
it.
thing I know, we're going to 42 to go up that way, and I'm like, I thought we were going straight to Ashland.
And you thought that just because he said so?
Yeah.
I don't understand what is wrong with you.
I get it.
Keep dancing on the landmines, baby.
You keep saying Peg, and they think you're married to her.
It's from Married
like not saying
Married
Everybody
with
knows
Children.
Married with Children, all right.
Everybody in our generation knows Married with Children.
Not me.
Not her.
Okay.
That belongs
Yeah,
to
she-
him.
She wouldn't put up with it. She wouldn't put up with it, I'm sure.
No,
Okay, racer's ready.
she's done kicked
I
my
am. I'm
butt.
ready to win another heat.
Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
One of these days, you're gonna wake up with duct tape on your chest hair.
I'm upside down right in front of you. Yellow.
First lap.
I'm not driving well.
First lap.
Oh, there's Zeke.
Oh.
There we go, Zeke.
all race.
Wow.
3 minutes left.
You wrote red paper.
Then we got Rocket at 8, Daisy at 6, Zeke at 5, Dewey at 5.
Oh, thank you. I'm dying there. Thank you.
Man, Thank you.
Yeah,
I don't know.
That was
I
pretty
heard
cool.
it fixed.
Yeah, it
Far
was.
way down the track.
Yes, it was.
Driver best lap.
Oh, blue, blue.
That was cool.
Am I fixing everybody?
Pretty much.
Oh, son of a.
Really super cool.
Oh!
Oh, I killed a
Now we
pedestrian.
got everybody waiting.
Oh, big yellow.
Sure there are signs telling them to stay away. Stay away from the edge.
Think you're gonna stop.
Right there.
He's trying to be Joe Big Guy.
All right, Rocket 16, Daisy 11, Dewey 11, Zeke 11. Come on! Close racing.
Rocket is close.
What a fight for
Driver
second.
best lap. 60 seconds left.
Robert's rocking it out. Dewey, Daisy, and Zeke are fighting for second place. Whoa!
I don't know what was going on, but I made it through clean.
Runner in yellow.
What the hell?
Oh, I'm off the track. Go.
All right.
I think we broke apart over here. That last row was something. Oh my God, it's dragging.
30 seconds left.
Robert gets no leeway.
25 seconds left.
Rough and break.
20 seconds left.
What do they call that? The skill of the girl warn.
10 seconds left.
You know,
5 seconds left. Who's over?
All right.
I know I didn't make it.
You got Rocket at 29, Dewey at 22, Daisy at 22, and Zeke at 20. Close race.
Yeah, Rocket.
Wow.
Woo! Woo! Oh, you gotta move the camera this time too, right? Oh, you did move the camera this time.
yeah, we can move her again.
Oh, okay.
Put it over there on that side.
Get a
Yeah.
different view of me winning the heat.
Yeah. It's looking like that. You are correct. My sir.
Now,
A different view of the rocket winning.
Move up on that one.
I did. Holy cow! I don't know, man. I'm gonna warn you. You can't use any trigger over here. None, hardly. I was really, really super.
Thank you. Whoa. Something flew off the ground. What is that?
Alright, where am I? I'm in the yellow?
Yeah, I gotta move
Race starts in 30 seconds.
Okay.
Blue.
Take it around, Red.
30 seconds.
Oh, it's probably part of my tire.
The tire's coming up.
Race starts in 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Marshall?
Yep, my tire.
Race starts in 10 seconds. Race starts in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Stop and look around and see where the camera was. So like it's standing in front of it.
Movement leader.
Thank you.
No power.
Oh,
Oh, they got no
Movement
power.
leader. Yellow flag.
I broke your house.
Yeah.
My toes only partially hurt. Well, is that a timer or something?
That's our doorbell.
You've got no power?
I got power.
Shout out to Marty, a new subscriber. Some very funny comments on some of the races about hashtag stop the rocket.
Yeah, stop the rocket, man.
Or, you know,
Hey, we really
adding
appreciate
the
everybody
railroad.
who views with us. man,
Yeah,
watches us. Hey,
we
that's
love
really
your
cool.
comments. He answers all of them.
Oh.
So if you have questions, he loves to answer the questions.
May tell you to just look at a past race.
March.
Delay of race. Penalty.
Yes. She's going to receive a 2-lap penalty for the being parched and
The
not.
road was
Two
sticking
laps
together. Hey, don't even start on me, you guys. Had to put us
Alright.
on a red flag.
So everything is in order. Racers ready.
Yes.
Banter may continue.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, white.
Movement leader.
My goodness.
Oh, white.
I died right before the
I don't have no power either.
Need to. They're not carrying this to my power.
I'm sorry.
Stop it.
Maybe I
Pause.
took your power. I was in your lane right there. You got power again?
Okay, we got a delay. Gotta
We
stop.
gotta
Sorry, I was trying to give them power back.
Don't.
They have all married into
Well,
Rocket's philosophy of whatever it takes.
That's not my philosophy. I just recognized it.
Whatever it takes.
Try yours. Whoever wasn't having power. Zeke was here. Peggy was somewhere. I don't know. Over there.
I was in the lead. Just go to the other setup and get back on.
Everybody good? I'm good.
Okay,
Here I am.
racers are ready.
There I am. Right behind you.
5, 4, 3,
Look, it's 4 up. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4.
Go.
4.
That's it, early. Stay close to me.
movement leader.
Just
Took me out.
Oh.
Oh, I'm glad the phone is not up there.
Movement leader. Movement
Alright,
leader.
we got 6 up.
Movement leader.
Is holding strong in the white lane in that second position. Dewey still leading with 8 in the blue
Hey,
lane.
Jake, seen you there.
And Zeke is just struggling in the red lane to keep him.
Somebody in yellow?
Wait,
I need to be in the white.
I rocket or
Please,
rocket.
There you go. It's me. I'm in the yellow.
Oh, sorry.
Blue.
Back to that, whatever it takes. Runner in the yellow. You take my car?
I didn't know who the runner was.
There's that train dude was talking about.
That would be Marty. Marty talked about in adding the train crossing just for
Oh,
you.
right in front of me, dude.
You would be the only one stopped by the train crossing.
Yeah, the rest of us wouldn't have to stop for
Thumbs up on the idea.
it. Blue.
Oh my God.
Blue.
Oh, white work. Here, I'll just take a better.
I only got one hand. My car was
Oh,
gray.
white. Just got knocked off right there.
Oh, blue. Blue. I blew it. Oh, squeezed off
Squeezed
by the
off.
rocket. Right after I blew
I've
it.
seen that.
Zeke stuck on red. Don't fix it because the other one might go out.
I know where to fix it.
Okay. Right here.
You go thing right here.
25 seconds left.
Zeke is hammered.
20 seconds left.
Chevys are battling it out.
10 seconds
And I think
left.
he tried to race with somebody else's lane there. So am I.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Oh, under the bridge.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh.
I could.
Hey.
No talking.
Sorry.
See,
Dang
you
it.
never speak, and then when you do.
I could have made it, but I didn't.
I tried to keep my mouth shut. But Lord be mercy, look. I
Peg,
took first.
24.
Yay!
Go Peg.
Jimmy Johnson, go.
Go, Jimmy Johnson Auto World. Woo!
Yeah.
Rocket 24 in
I
yellow.
don't know where
Yellow.
he went, but
Yeah.
23 in blue.
he went somewhere.
How
See if you
do we
can
divide
find
0.67 lap?
Oh, he's over here in white.
I don't know if that's real or not, baby.
I
It's
think maybe
Memorex. Ha!
But it doesn't matter. I mean, that's the official score.
That's the official score.
That's just not one I might record.
Far
but
be it
that's-
from us to argue with the machine.
Yeah. Look at that stuff. That's some racing there.
Yeah.
Go Peggy. For all you Peggy
Hey,
fans.
you know what? I'm telling you, that's close racing.
Daisy is in 1 minute.
I disappointed all my fans. They didn't get to see me win. They got to see me tie for first. Sorry.
I don't know if
You
he's a
racer.
fan. He's starting hashtag stop the rocket.
Race starts in 30
I don't
seconds.
consider that a fan.
He's our somebody else's fan because he wants you stopped.
Race starts in
Stop the
20
cheating
seconds.
rocket.
Can you put my? Oh, you already did. Thanks. Somebody. Thanks, whoever.
Race starts in 10 seconds. Race starts in 5 seconds.
Hey,
Carpet.
we don't
That
have
was
another
the other
camera,
thing.
but we
Carpet.
are getting a lot
5,
of different views.
4,
Thanks for the
3,
The tip.
2,
tip. Yes,
1.
absolutely. I love these
Go.
different views. Rocket getting the jump there.
new heat leader.
Oh, can you fix me, please? Right in front of you, white. I spun around. Thank you. Thank you.
New heat leader.
I'm somewhere. There I am.
Going down.
I don't know where I am. Oh, I'm still.
First heat lap.
What's going on? No power?
New heat leader. New heat
Sorry
leader.
that time. And good night. Thank you. Ah, food. Thank you, white. Oh.
You're right there on the top, Molly. Peace out.
Rocket System took over big time, guys.
Rocket 7, Daisy 6, Daisy 4, Zeke 4.
You know why? Rocket always.
So he's a cheater and you stop down on the corner. Start driving.
Stop.
He was.
She thought my car was her.
Yes, I did.
Whoa, Zeke's in front of, behind, Zeke's behind.
Driver best lap.
Dadgummit. Oh, that box.
Much language.
Rocket wrecked it. Oh, and again. Quick, get out of the head on. Get out of the head on.
Rocket 14, Peggy 11, 12, Zeke, or Daisy 9, Zeke 8.
Halfway through the heat.
2 minutes.
I can see I'm gonna have to work on that Jimmy down
Thank you. Oh, wait.
Karen saw the perfect shirt.
Anybody see where I am?
No, I came up with
Oh,
this
here you are.
shirt
Oh,
in my
okay.
head.
Oh, that's why I can't go.
Are you talking about the picture shirt?
Yellow. Yes.
That
Follow
is just
afterwards.
something that came up in my head.
Yeah, after the race.
Okay.
You were crazy. Rocket 19, Peggy 17, Daisy 14, Zeke 12.
Up right there, man. Come on, Jimmy, get your shot. Thank you.
60 seconds left.
Rocket.
Thank you, thank you.
Rocket 23, Peggy 20, Daisy 17, Zeke 16.
Thirty seconds left. 25 seconds left. 20 seconds left.
Rocket 27,
15 seconds
Peggy
left.
23, Daisy 20, Zeke 19.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
You got it. Believe you did. Rocket 30, Peggy 25, Daisy 21, Zeke 20. Final heat coming up.
Rocket took me.
Okay, whoa. Peg
Rocket
25 in
30,
red.
25 in red this way. Daisy 21 in white. And 20 in yellow.
Okay.
I'm in.
Good run,
white.
Dale.
Sorry.
Way to be there, brother. I just gotta thank my sponsor, Rocket Fuel.
That was the High Rock race was sponsored by Rocket Fuel.
No, I'm just, that's me as a driver.
Yeah, he's the driver for Rocket.
Oh, yes. The Rockets, Rocket Fuel. Oh, look at the camera down there. It's down here.
Oh, yeah.
The camera can't see us. You can only see the track.
Final heat. Is that the car that you were racing?
Race
Yeah,
starts in 30 seconds.
I saw you switch cars like the last time we raced.
I'm stuck up there.
Oh,
on
I
the
did
corner.
because we weren't filming.
Thanks.
Remember, I run the old
Race starts in 20
Joe Dirt
seconds.
car. The one you want to outlaw because you can't beat.
Race starts in
You
10
can't
seconds.
beat that dirty little dirt boy.
Race starts in 5 seconds.
It's dirty.
Don't try and church it up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I'll do it on his roof.
New heat leader.
What's your second favorite line in that movie?
Best heat lap.
Thing, what is?
Best heat lap.
On the downhill there. Marshall just gazed
Yes,
into the
gazing at
starlight,
the scoreboard.
gazing into the sunset. Oh, backwards.
Backwards.
Man, I was thinking up the white lane.
Yeah.
Oh,
Best
really
heat lap.
Now you're in the blue, now you're in altercation. 3-car pile up.
Six on long way. Oh
Man.
no.
Daisy pulls over just so nobody else can stay on the track.
3 minutes left.
Where'd everybody
Yellow?
go?
Who's in yellow?
Blue.
Oh, you're in blue, I'm sorry.
I'm under the bridge.
New
Oh no,
heat leader.
Jimmy's busted up.
Oh,
Blocking Daisy. I'm road blocking.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
Okay, go Daisy. Go Dewey.
He's getting the worst parts of the award.
No doubt, he might be a good driver.
New
Oh.
heat leader.
Marshall for heck.
Well, I guess if you wreck a lot, that's an issue.
It's an issue, that's why I need a good
New
Marshall.
heat
Duh.
leader.
Right.
Oh, yellow.
Man, it's tough when everybody's wrecking all the time.
It is.
Do your job, man.
Another
Yeah, you gotta be an
octopus.
Oh, backwards. Right, coming right in front of the bridge.
Halfway through the heat.
We got like 2 laps.
I wonder if we could
No,
get a hold of
you're up to
Bison
8.
and see if they don't have different voice. And maybe we could get a NASCAR sounding voice.
We have Daisy with 12, Zeke
Somebody
11,
with,
Meg 10, Dewey 9.
Or an accent
Backwards.
because like
Gas
Formula
station,
One.
rocket fuel.
I don't
on,
see
man.
you, man. Oh, here you are.
Gee, Merry Christmas. Right in front of you, dude.
Dude. Why did I beat?
Good, somebody went through
Already
the
gone
wrong.
through.
Definitely. What's making him a t-shirt? Where's Marshall?
car in the red lane, I think that's why you. I'm just saying, if you would stay on the track, you wouldn't have to complain about the
60 seconds left.
But I
on
don't
the
stay
track.
on the track.
Well, that's not gonna be my fault.
Oh, sorry.
Almost got it.
Just throw it at him.
New heat leader.
Well, my arms aren't that long and neither are his. I'm stuck under the bridge. I'm stopped.
I'm backwards.
New heat leader.
I just hit everybody. I went
Leader.
along with a white
Oh,
lane.
Peg's over there being all quiet, sneaking up behind me.
30
She's
seconds left.
she's out in front. Jimmy's trying to win the stock car
25
class.
seconds left.
Jim jump.
20 seconds left.
Come on, Dave.
15 seconds left. 10 seconds left.
Ah, I've seen everybody go off down
5
there.
seconds left.
Oh, there goes Jimmy, gonna seal the deal now.
Race over.
Dang it. White car, white lane.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That was just heat. Race over.
Race over.
Yes.
Peg
Peg wins
takes
the
it
heat.
with 22.
Jimmy Johnson.
That's 2 heats.
All right, that was a different view there. There's you get race results or heat results. We need some race results next, Karen.
Okay.
How was somebody reading them?
Zeke's got 18. Dewey was 17. You got everybody?
Yep.
Yeah, I did horrible. Horrible race. No, that says Heat. Yes. Rocket with 111.
Pegs in second,
Second
with
place,
95.
95.
Look at that.
Daisy takes third with 90.
Always
Dewey.
third.
That's it. I'm working on
87.
Zeke
All
with
right.
80.
That's another fine race. That race brought to you by Zeke's Towing and Repair.
Zeke was 80.
It's 57. That's what it looks like, brand new, all shiny.
Yay. Good job, Jimmy Johnson.
Ride this Harley to work.
Good job.
There's Dewey Joe Dirt.
You were down one of them heats messing with your car too.
Yeah, it was this last one.
All right. Thanks for watching.